Well, all right. Here we are in my studio, and we are currently working on a Sandpiper, Patina, and brass painting. So I am calling this my salt and light technique because I'm using light on the polished metal, and this blue area is a patina. So a lot of that is salt. So I thought it was pretty catchy. I'm gonna keep it. So right now I have another painting set aside that is curing. That's a couple of piping plovers. This is a Sandpiper. And I am going to try to finish this one today. And what you will see, I'll do a time warp, but you're gonna see, I think this needs a little bit of a Fibonacci sequence. So I like to have it, the brass catches your eye. I want you to follow around to this shape. Maybe it goes out because this bird is going that direction. So I'm going to grind away a little bit more of this, not too much. And then this bird is really close to the edge. And that's kind of a uncomfortable feeling. You know, in the art world, you're not supposed to put things right near the edge. But I want this little guy to look like he's in trouble. One, you're going to feel uncomfortable because he is so close to the edge of this painting. And two, we have this a lot of crashing wave and stuff. So that's the effect that I'm going to go for. This small little bird, big crashing wave, a lot of chaos going, and he's going to be getting squashed in between this line and the bottom of the composition. So that is what I'm going to paint on. I'm going to be using a lot of liquid because I want this to dry quickly. This is another experiment. So what I'm doing is I'm painting with oil paint directly on top of the patina. So I don't know if that patina is going to soak it up and make it blurry looking. And so I want that oil paint to dry as quickly as possible. So I'm going to be mixing a lot of liquid in. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so that's where I'm going to stop for now. I think I got some values of the bird kind of roughed in there, and I don't want to start making mud. You know, when you're painting, if you feel like you're just starting to dab at it and paint, but not actually focus on what is being applied, you know, it's time to stop. So I just back up. I like a little bit of reality, and I don't want it to look like I didn't know what I was doing. So I'm not looking for photorealism, but I am looking for the right values and colors on this painting. So I'm going to stop right now and Let this cure overnight, and I will start on another painting. So so I have a couple paintings in the hopper. So that's how I do it. And I appreciate you following along. And I have some really exciting ideas that I'm going to be trying out. So I do appreciate those who are following me. And stay tuned for some exciting painting. So thanks for following along.